Hi everyone, I'm Erica. In today's video, we're cleaning all day, starting with the most satisfying room. This laundry room makes me feel like my house is so messy because I've been decluttering and rearranging the rest of my house, and the laundry room has become my Monica's closet and drop-off. Today, we're going to fix that. If you're new here, welcome. To my returning subscribers, hi, I'm so happy you're all here. Make sure to subscribe and leave me a comment in the comment section below to let me know if you ever have a room in your house that becomes a catch-all sometimes.
Tell me what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to.
Wait until you see how dusty and dirty the treadmill is. It's such a satisfying before and after that I'm going to show you in just a minute. Then after that, I'm going to mop the floor and show you the dirtiest water ever that came from mopping the porch. Later on, I'm going to show you some of my groceries and clean up the first floor. Actually, twice. All day cleaning sometimes requires cleaning a room twice in one day. I hope you get so much motivation for your own to-do list. I won't talk too very much for the rest of the video so you can listen to the awesome cleaning music and get some of your own chores finished up along with me.
To get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection, I think about you, for you my love. You drive me crazy, tell me what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. Getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner.
Like I said earlier, this is the water from mopping the porch. I didn't film mopping it, but I showed a little before and after on Instagram. Make sure to follow me over there for a little extra motivation.
Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me.
This was just a few things from the grocery store for snacks and a meal I'm going to be making. I hadn't had chips in a while, so I opened that bag and this cheese for a snack right away before I started putting everything away. So good. The girls asked me for milk right away when I started, and then Lana brought her balloon into play, so I took a couple breaks even though you can't tell here. Cleaning the kitchen again. I guess that's what happens in an all-day cleaning video. Now the girls are asleep and I'm picking up the last little things from the kitchen, living room, and dining room before bed. If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video.
And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do, 'cause we got all the time in the world, for better or worse. We should stay together, so let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. Doesn't matter if we make mistakes, which I can promise that we'll do. Just hold my hand and we will be okay. Yeah, it's true, 'cause we got all the time in the world, for better or worse. We should stay together, so let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. I try to fill my mind with anything but him. So caught up in it, so caught up in it. Don't wanna love him anymore. I'm not getting anything, so why am I?
I'm so happy to have everything reset and cleaned up to come downstairs to in the morning. I hope you found a little motivation and inspiration for your own home and to-do lists. Make sure to check out the playlist in the description box below for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.